Hey everyone, okay, so let's make a start. We're talking Pixie today. Now, I'm going to show you 3 products and we're going to speak about some others while we're at it. But these are the products in question today. Pixie. Now, Pixie is pretty much been made famous by the iconic Glow Tonic, which is this one here. Oh, it did it then? Oh my God. So there it is. Glow Tonic. Now this is 250 mils of product. It is a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. So, according to Beautypedia, this product, the pH of this product is slightly too high to truly exfoliate, and yet this product does truly exfoliate the skin. And it does it incredibly gently. Now it does contain witch hazel, which some people are going to go, oh my God, no thanks. But it is quite possibly one of the most beautifully formulated products that I've used. It is incredibly gentle, I find, on the skin and works beautifully. When I posted a picture of these a couple of days ago, the amount of comments of people saying how, oh, do you see that fly? How truly beautiful this product is only confirmed it. Now I've used this on and off for a long time, but only recently have I used it consistently. And that was a big game changer because of it exfoliates gently. There's no irritation, there's no redness. It's just a really beautiful product. So I'm really fond of it. Now there are also 2 other products called the Vitamin C Tonic and a Retinol Tonic. Now again, according to not Paula's Choice, that's wrong. According to Beautypedia, which she doesn't actually, is not a part of really, these products are okay. But because of the packaging, they're light sensitive and therefore they need to be stored in a dark place. Well, I store mine in my cupboard, so it's really not too much of an issue to me. But the best thing that I found with these products is that they really work. The Retinol Tonic, 250 mils. I love a toner kind of product because my skin is very oily, so I like the texture of this. Now, the way that I use these is, do you know, I was going to lie then. I'm going to be completely honest. I use all 3 at night. Now, we're not talking 15% glycolic acid followed by 1% pure retinol followed by 20% ascorbic acid. These are low concentration formulas, which is what makes them so beautiful. I use, because I hate using skincare in the day, I just use sunscreen. So I use this first, the tonic, then I go in with the vitamin C, just a couple of drops, and then I finish with the retinol product. Is that even focusing? Yes, it is. Who knew? Now, I find it to be quite gentle, effective, and quite possibly quite brilliant. But this review really is for those, and there's links in the description bar. But I want to mention a few other products as well that are also good. So Alpha H Liquid Gold. Now this again, I believe this, let's just see how bright it is in here. Perhaps you could take a day off from persecuting me, camera. Oh look, the whole thing's gone blurry. How marvelous. Oh, and it's back. Persecuting me from the moment I turn it on. Liquid Gold, very good product. 5% glycolic acid, I believe, in an alcohol base. I don't care that it's got alcohol. It works really, really bloody well. Really well. Now, speaking of Paula's Choice, 2%, there we go, thanks. 2% BHA. Now, this is a great product. I use this for the best part of 15, 16 years with beautiful results. Then it stopped working for me. I don't know if the formula changed, but for some reason it started to break me out, or maybe my skin just changed. But it's still an extraordinary product. Now this is 118 mils. The Liquid Gold is 100 mils. The Pixie at a lesser concentration and a slightly higher pH still in the abilities to exfoliate is 250 mils. The Pixie is the cheaper of the lot. And finally, a product that just some people love and some people hate is the Clinique. Now this is the clarifying lotion, which, thanks. Clarifying lotion. I'm gonna give this camera back. I can't. But I really like it. It was the only product I ever used that got rid of patches of dry skin behind the back of my ear. Now again, if you go on the website, it can't exfoliate, but it does exfoliate. That's the beauty. Of course, every single makeup and skincare product out there claims to close pores, give you younger, more firm looking skin, turn you into a fetus while curing world hunger. Of course, they never ever live up to the hype, but these products, all that I've just shown, work to exfoliate the skin. And frankly, this little trio here for me is quite a blessing. I just use a cotton pad, and I use the same cotton pad. I just few drops of each, one at a time, all over my face. Then I go night-nights. That's it, that's it. Again, these other products are great, but this review was for Pixi, and it's been quite a revelation. Using them consistently has produced, well, as you can tell, quite extraordinary results. Flawless, poreless, practically fetus, and still with a slightly red ear. Thanks for watching. Links down there. See you all soon. Let me know if you've used these products. Bye-bye.